Link state advertisements are used to transfer routing updates between the routers. And we can have several types of link state advertisements, and they are defined in order to optimize the route sharing process. We can have the type 1 LSA, which is describing the router links, and this LSA is describing the interfaces belonging to one router, and type 1 LSA is being sent to the routers which have interfaces in the same area. So area 0 will have its own type 1 LSAs, and area 1 will have its own type 1 LSAs. We can also have type 2 LSAs, which are describing network links. And this LSA is used in multi-access networks, and type 2 LSAs will originate from the designated router, and it will describe all the routers attached to the network, and the updates are being sent intra-area. Also note that type 2 LSA are used only in area 0. Link state advertisements are used to transfer routing updates between the routers and describe the routes learned from router links and network links. Type 3 LSAs are sent by area board router. From the area, these LSAs are originating to other areas, so updates are sent inter-area. So R2 will send the type 3 LSAs with the routes learned from the area 1, and also router 2 will send type 3 LSAs into area 1 with the routes which he learned from area 0. We also can have the autonomous system boundary router summary LSA or type 4 LSA, which is used to share the router ID of the ASBRs located in other areas. And these LSAs are sent by the ABR located in the area where the ASBR is located to other OSPF areas. So again, if R3 is an ASBR, R2 will send a type 4 LSA, and it will inform other routers that ASBR is located in area 1. Also, type 4-5 LSAs, it shares routers learned from other routing protocols, and these type 5 LSAs are describing external routes, and they are shared by ASBRs. Type 5 LSAs are being sent in every area except the stub areas. You will see what this means in other slides. We also can have type 7 LSAs, which is not so stubby area external routes, and it is similar to external LSAs, but the ASBR is a router in the not so stubby area. It will create its own type 7 LSA, which is similar to type 5 LSA, and first the type 7 LSA will be created by SBR in NSSA. It will send to the ABR, and ABR will translate this type 7 LSAs into type 5 LSAs, and it will announce the external routes, the type 5 LSA. So guys, most of you are viewing my videos and are not subscribed. So if you want to help me, and if you like the videos that I am creating, please hit that subscribe button. It will help me a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Now you know more, and if you want to learn even more, you can check my linked Udemy courses in the video description. Also, on each Udemy course, you can find a 30% off coupon, which is listed in bonus section of each course. You will find them listed in the video description. Thank you, and see you in the next video.